swam and I went to the shore. Waves were dancing, skies did soar. Sand was warm beneath my feet. The ocean breeze was soft and sweet. Buckets, shovels, seashells too. We built a castle tall and new. Out popped a fish with fins so bright. It swirled and splashed, such joyful sight. Golden scales and happy eyes. It zoomed around beneath blue skies. We laughed and played just like a team, a fishy friend, like in a dream. Jump and giggle, spin and glide with my fishy friend.